Hey, welcome back. My name is Dino. This video is on Infographics final project. So if you're in my Infographics class, there's a bit of an overview of it. And again, an overview. For this project, you're going to choose one option for a final project. You're going to do one of two things, not both, just one. You're either going to create an infographic or you're going to write an infographic essay. And for both of them, I want you to apply the various course concepts we've learned together to your final project. Here are some general guidelines. This is for absolutely everyone, regardless of your option you choose. Again, for the options, choose one of the two options, either an infographic or an essay. In terms of the submission, this helps me grade because of the interface that I use to grade you. It really helps me and helps me grade you. It helps you consume all your content in one place. If you submit all the content, both your infographic or your visuals and your written analysis, all together in one document, either a Word or a PDF file. So upload either a Word or a PDF file in just one of them. For my grading, to make sure that I can give you credit for your work, make sure that you write your file, your Word or PDF file, in the following file name format: last name dot first name dash file project name. For example, if I was submitting a piece of work, it would be called Sossi dot Dino dash data sovereignty. For deadlines, please always check the syllabus for the deadline. That's the final word for anything in many of my classes, because sometimes when you're working with a grading or content management system, there can be discrepancies between the two just because there's a lot of different buttons and things to check. So please, the syllabus is the correct deadline. And finally, late or incorrect submissions, like if you submit multiple documents, you can be penalized up to 20% a day. Hand it in on time. Hand it in correctly. Please, as always, follow the final project guidelines. They're to help you and to help me help you. I'll go over quickly what each of the two options. First is the infographic. Basically, you're going to create a one-page, an 8.5 by 11 page infographic. So what I mean by that is I want all of your visual work, whatever that is, fit it on one letter size page. Secondly, it would be a report. That would be the second part of this. So basically, you create an infographic, and then you write a one-page report, which is 150 to 250 words, based on a personal topic that you choose on your own, or these are just some examples of things you could do, like a social movement if you're into that, like Indigenous data sovereignty, Black Lives Matter, Me Too, Occupy Wall Street, or some type of thing you're interested in. Again, that's up to you. Option 2 is an essay. Here you're going to research and write an analytical essay. So it's about analysis, it's not description, on one or two infographics. So if it'll be more in-depth on one. If it's two, you'll probably compare them. They'll probably be thematically oriented so that the themes for the two infographics are similar. So again, please find your own personal topic, or if you can't, I have some information for some source material if you're going to do something on Indigenous data sovereignty, Black Lives Matter, Me Too, or Occupy Wall Street. Again, that's up to you. And then finally, in conclusion, please create a final project that interests you, not me. If you find something that interests you, your research will be better. The creative process of you creating something that you do will be better. And if something interests you, you can probably fold it into, your academic lives or your professional lives that you're going to be doing after you're done with this class and as you go beyond college and university. Again, that'll be either an infographic that you create with a short report or an infographic essay that's a little bit longer. That was your Infographics final project. I look forward to seeing them. My name is Dino. Please feel free to like this video. Please feel free to comment on the video. Please feel free to subscribe if you like this type of content. As always, thanks for watching.